So to create my handmade planner, I basically take 2 pages of a notebook and I just create the pages. I draw lines, it's 3 vertical lines on each page. I basically took a ruler and spaced them out, and then you have your 4 horizontal lines going across, and then I added another one, 2 at the top, or 1 at the top, so that for the dates, and I started with Monday through Sunday. You have a little section for notes, so you get 8 sections on a page. This line, you don't see that, but basically it just goes all the way down. That's a little note section, and you have 1 little box for each day of the week. When it goes over, you just have to add to the bottom, make smaller boxes. And for the week pages, I just do the week of, and I basically put a line down the middle, vertical of each page, and then put another one going across like that. And then I just fill in my sections. Just do Monday, Tuesday in a blank line so that you can just fill in the dates for whatever month. And I just recreated it in my whole book. So I think this book I was able to get 3 months in here. This book, this is a 4x6-ish type book. I think I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I just covered them. Yeah, so pretty much that's what I did. I'm gonna try to recreate yours. Actually, I can recreate it. I'm gonna try, but it's gonna take me a minute to get all the measurements together and to do it in my computer. But I'm gonna create a book for you. But in the meantime, if you want to try to play with it and make your own, you should, because it's worth it. Another thing I did is, because the pages were so thin in this book, I took 2 pages and glued them together with a glue stick. Yeah, so I just sat down one night and played with it, and I made myself a planner. And so actually I'm at the end of the month. This is the end of September, so usually I usually do 5 weeks on each month, but then I'll just start it again and make a new one. And then you can file these away, take them out, because they're secured by the bands. This is my personal one. It's secured by the bands. Just take them out and file them away and start a new one. Okay, and I have 3 in this, and I have room for 4. So I have extra band. Okay, so I'll keep my stickers and my page flags and everything in here. But anyway, hope you like it. Hope you get started. I'll be contacting you soon. Take care. Bye bye.